right here. Hi, how you doing, Miss
Ione.
Miss Ione? Okay, my name is Mr. Freehand, but most people call me Chaz.
Okay, nice meeting you.
Hi again,
Hi again.
Brittany. Please do have a seat. Miss Brittany, really to be honest, I never expected you to contact me so early, which I'm quite
Oh.
frankly you did. So you say you would like some clarity as to what I meant by angel assistance, right?
Yes, but I like for you to talk to my mother first about it because she made the decision, you see me, so.
Fair enough, fair enough. So, Miss Ione, um, I've always been coming to your stall and making purchases. But, I've never felt the need. But then when I saw your daughter, I felt like I wanted to jump in and render some assistance, seeing as she's this beautiful young lady and she looks like she has